Investing in the NASDAQ using Etrade is a straightforward process that can open up opportunities for growth. First, you will need to create an account with Etrade if you have not done so already. Visit the Etrade website and click on the Sign Up option. Fill in the necessary information, such as your name, address, and social security number. After you have completed your application, you will need to verify your identity and link your bank account to fund your investment. Once your account is set up and funded, log into your Etrade account. Navigate to the trading platform where you can search for various stocks listed on the NASDAQ. You can explore the list of companies and their performance. If you have specific stocks in mind, use the search function to find them by name or ticker symbol. Make sure to research those stocks to understand their performance and potential risks before making any decisions. When you have decided on the stocks you want to invest in, you will need to place an order. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you are interested in and select the type of order you prefer, either market order or limit order. A market order will buy the stock at its current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy the stock. Once you have reviewed your order details, confirm the order to execute your purchase. After your order goes through, you can monitor your investments through your Etrade dashboard. Keep an eye on market trends and news related to the stocks you have invested in. Remember to review your investment strategy periodically and make adjustments as needed. Investing is a long-term commitment, and staying informed will help you make better decisions moving forward.